In version 24, we've added a new setting to parts called internal contour sequence. In previous versions of SigmaNEST, when you clicked Auto NC on a nest, all parts would get NC applied to them with a min-move strategy. In some scenarios, this is not the most desirable output. So in version 24, we've added this new option where users can change the internal contour sequence of each individual part. That setting can be saved to the part, and when Auto NC is clicked, we will use the strategy set to each part to apply NC, allowing our users to get the most desirable outcome for each individual part.